Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to disable all sensors on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just open settings, then go to about phone. From here, just tap on software information, then tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Now just enter your lock screen pin. Now just tap on OK. Now once you enable developer options, just go back. Then tap on developer options. Now from here, just tap on quick settings developer tiles. Then enable sensors off. Now once you enable this option, after that just go to your home screen and open the control center on your smartphone. Now from here you will find the option of sensors off. Just tap on it to enable sensors off. Now as you can see, we have successfully disabled all the sensors on our smartphone. And this is how you can disable all sensors on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.